Hello, this is Aditya, and in this video, I'm going to talk about a series that I'm going to start. So, I'm going to start a series of making paintings because I really enjoy the process of making paintings. I can neglect everything rather than making paintings because it really give me amazing thoughts when I try to make paintings. I really enjoy the process of making paintings because I just went to that scene where the painting is going on. I just think about that scene. When I will be there, I will just enjoy the process. That the piece of that painting is really attractive. When I think that what is the piece, if we look at any kinds of paintings, for sometimes we really think about what a nice piece there that is not exist in this world. So we really thought, we really think about that scene when we try to think. And when we are making paintings, we really enjoy the process because it is really enjoyable. For an artist, it is really enjoyable. If you don't have any interest on making paintings, so you cannot make, because you can make, but you will be feeling boring if you don't have any interest on a particular topic. So in this video, I am going to talk about that I'm going to start a series. And why am I going to start the series of making paintings? I'm going to start this series because in this year, basically, I have to focus on three things. One of those is study. I just have to focus on study because I just have to become an IAS officer, and it really takes lots of hard work. I know that I will not be able to clear this exam in next year, so I will not take my next year exam because it will take lots of time for study, but I'm not able to get because I'm just focusing on my hobby with that. So but I don't have to neglect study, because neglecting study I cannot achieve anything in life, I believe. So I will have to study, and I have to study, and I have keen interest on study, so I cannot neglect it. So in this year, basically, I have to focus on three things. One of those is study, so I have to focus on my study. I have to give enough time for study. And second of those is that I have to focus on a drawing. I have to focus on YouTube, because YouTube can be really helpful for me, because if I will be uploading my videos, I will develop my lots of skills there. I will be developing my English language. With that, I will be developing my hobby, because I have keen interest in making drawings, making paintings, making sketches, and I have to develop this in this year, because it can really be helpful for me for my future, I think. So I don't have to stop this. And last year I did not achieve anything. In this 2023, in that 2023, I did not achieve anything, I think, but I learned so many things, so I don't have to repeat those mistakes that I have done in last year. So I just have to focus on my skills. I don't have to neglect, and I don't have to I just have made my schedule that where all are the things I have to focus on. I have made my schedule, and where I have to focus on three things: the study, health, and paintings. So for making paintings, drawings, art, so I just have to focus on my these skills, where I will be focusing, where I will be investing my lots of time every day. So for making paintings, sketches is take for making paintings really takes lots of time. I know if we don't have any interest for in making drawings, in making any in doing any kinds of work, so we really are going to be feeling a kind of hesitation and boringness. If we have interest, so we can make 24/7. It is really enjoyable it will be really enjoyable process for us if we have interest. So I really have interest on making art, so I cannot neglect it. Before the starting my channel, I just have neglected it because of I thought that this cannot help, and I was unaware about making about uploading videos. I was not focusing on this, but when I started it, I knew about it everything. I knew about it lots of things. So for that reason I started, and it can really be helpful for me in future. So for that I am just developing this, and in this video I just had to tell about I just had to tell about this that I have to focus you have to focus on these three skills that I have to develop. And this is what I say in this video, that I have to develop different types of exercise activities and start where I can and I just have a lot. I have just invested. I have just destroyed my last year, so I don't want to destroy this year because I just enjoy with my friends with. In a party, I just enjoy last year more and more, but I don't have to repeat that because it will not be favorable for me for this year, for my future, and for my career. So for that reason I just have to neglect my friends, my any party, any occasion. I don't have to rely on those occasions for enjoyment. I just have to enjoy the process of developing skills, because I really have keen interest on two things, study and drawing. So I just have to focus on these things, and I will be investing my lots of time. If I'll be investing my lots of time on developing these two skills, so I will not think about other things. I will not go outside. So I just have to be busy on those things. I can be busy 24/7 on these things, so it is not a bad thing for me, and it will be really helpful for me. So for that reason I just have to focus on these three things, and I don't have to neglect it. And making paintings is a really enjoyable making paintings is a really enjoyable process, I think, because when we make paintings, if we have any kinds of stress, angerness, and anxiety, so we just have keep that aside. While making paintings we don't think about that, and we are free from stress and anxiety. While making paintings we don't think about other things, so we are just feeling that we have gone to that world in which I'm making in paintings. So for that reason making paintings a really enjoyable process for me. We just draw trees, mountains, sunsets scene, sunrise scene, rivers, landscape paintings, different landscape paintings. So I just draw different kinds of activity, different kinds of structure on my channel, and I upload on YouTube. And I can make sketches, exact sketches paintings and oil pastel drawings and different art techniques I usually use in my videos. And I just have a hope that YouTube will definitely support me one or the other day. I don't know about what is really a algorithm. I don't know about that, but I think I have just a hope about YouTube that YouTube will definitely promote me one or the other day if I will be uploading my videos continuously. So I just have to focus on my videos and on my study on health in this year. So I will definitely achieve something this year. So I just have to make my this year a great year of 2024. I don't have to make it like last year I have done. So it was really a embarrassing thing for me. I have wasted my last year, because in a year there are 12 months, and if we are wasting 12 months totally, so it is really a huge embarrassing thing for us. So in this video I wanted to talk about that. I will be focusing on three things. I will be developing study skill, drawing skills, and health. So we have talked about. So if you like this video, if you find some information by watching this video, so like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and so that you can never miss my videos. I will be meeting in another video. If you like it, so definitely please like it, because it will really helpful for me. Have a good day. Bye bye. Let's meet in another video.